How to turn on call forwarding mode on your Android device or your Redmi device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can turn on your call forwarding mode on your Android device or your Redmi device. For that, you have to go for your phone lock on your device and go for the setting icon which is on the top right. And once you are on your setting, you have to go for the call forwarding setting here. You can see that. Once you are here, you have to wait for it. And if you want to turn on your call forwarding on your mobile device, here you have to go for the always forward option which is on the top. Go for that and you have to write that number here. Also, you can select it from your contact list and go for the turn on option. So your call will be forwarded to your number that you have right here. So if you are not able to pick up the call, then other number, then this number will receive your calls. So this is the process how you can turn on your call forwarding on your Samsung Galaxy or your Android device or your Redmi device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.